Hello, boys and girls. This is a message from superhero Miss Christina. Do we have any other superheroes out there? Yes, you are all our superheroes. Now let me think. How do superheroes cough? Do they cough like this? No. Do they cough like this in your hand? Eee, yucky. No. Think. How do superheroes cough? I know. We are superheroes. We have our. What is this? A cape. Show me your cape. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can just pretend. Show me your cape. Cape over your mouth. Very good. Does it work on the other side? Show me your cape. If you don't have a cape, very good. All right. All together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now remember this. Every time you want to sneeze, Alhamdulillah. Or if you want to cough, in your sleeve, in your cape. Very good. Miss you all. Bye bye.